Terrible thrift, terrible day as a whole because I literally broke my camera. Hello. Where do we start? So your girl's going through a breakup. It's officially day 10. How have I been? I haven't washed my hair in weeks. So let's do some retail therapy. We're gonna go to Value Village today. For a week of no wash, ends are good. Scalp, not the same. So we're gonna just do the same high pony I've been doing and call it a day. Still haven't even told everybody that we're broken up. I don't realize how many people know. It's not because I don't love you though. It's just, you get it. It's a lot to talk about. That's becoming where we need it to be. This part takes a couple bits of rework because my hair is really fine, and when it's this disgusting and greasy, it can't really hold its shape. See? Then we take it out. I'm out of breath. This will have to do. That's not all. This is why she's so greasy. Just take a little bit, but a little swoop. But you guys already saw me how I woke up, so you know the truth. The world doesn't need to know the truth. Oh, I'm posting this on YouTube. Anyways, that part in the front middle is not that great, but I like it. And there, she's laid. She's ready to hit. Oh, I gotta do my makeup. A little bit of, what is this? Since this is a little breakup series, I'll tell you guys a little bit about it. And let's pretend this is alive. And I'll pretend that you guys are asking me questions. Who broke up with who? I broke up with him. Why did you break up with him? Okay, right. I should have led into that one. We broke up just because basically we wanted the same things, but I think our timelines were really off. Like, I'm on my girl boss shit, so I'm ready to make some big moves, and he wanted to make big moves as well. He just wasn't at the pace that I needed to be at, and we tried to make it work, but it just wasn't lining up. For me, I realized that if we were gonna make this work, then we'd have to compromise. So it either meant he was gonna be doing things a lot faster than he was ready for, or I was gonna just be completely stopping my growth to like wait for someone to get where I needed them to be. And that's not fun for anybody. Like, wouldn't be fair to me, wouldn't be fair to him. So we did try to work on things and make some compromises. And like, I think for me, the compromises just weren't, it was just too much. And I was on some cookie lion shit, like.
Gotta put me first, I gotta put me first, Lucian.
So yeah, we had a conversation. It was actually a pretty chill breakup. It was pretty amicable. I don't like to break up in a toxic way. I think I've done that once before, and it was just too much. Like, I don't want nobody coming back to be angry with me. Like, I just want to end on a peaceful note. So this was really peaceful, and yeah, so now we're broken up. I'm working on myself. We got goals, you know, we want to move out this year. We want to do a lot of things, and he's working on his goals, and he's gonna do it at his pace. Hopefully he accomplishes everything he's set out to do. But yeah, we wish the best for each other. Will you guys get back together? This is like 6 years old at least. Hopefully. Who knows? Who knows what he's working on? It's a no contract breakup, so I'm not really up in his business right now. He's not up in mine. We'll see this video. But that's still not up in my business because it's not like you see me every day. All right, any other questions, guys? Because we're getting to the end of this lazy girl makeup routine. What did you learn from the breakup? I think I'm still learning a lot of the lessons, but I definitely learned that
I gotta put me first.
Kind of like letting go. I think that I had to basically let go of this person that I love so that I could have the future that I deserve. That's not some everyday shit that you gotta be thinking about. That's the lesson so far. But we're only day 10. It's only day 10, so let's thrift, shall we? We're here. It's 10 a.m. I'm hoping that it's just gonna be parents and stuff. We're still new to this vlogging shit, you know? So it's still kind of ox, and I've got like a longer tripod with me, so. I'm out of town, thugging with my round. My coochie pink, my booty hole brown. The worst thing happened. I dropped my freaking camera. And I am shooting bricks because that's a $1,000 camera and the lens is not working. Yeah, this just is not.
Get the fucking mic.
Just on the iPhone because I have to take my camera to the shop now because I broke it. Let's get into it. First, we've got the Tommies. $21.99. In Value Village, you really dropped the ball. I'm not coming back. Also, my Value Village doesn't have a change room, so yeah, great. There's a return policy. Why would I want to do that? Nope. coming in at $11. I just kind of want something to be at home and be going through a breakup in, and this was really cute. This is a lot tighter than I thought. We do not have boobs, but especially not in this. Holy, I probably can't breathe right now. This could be cute. This could be cute.
Bitch, you look a mess.
Right, coming in at $11. This is probably the best purchase yet. Don't mind the giant underwear I'm clearly wearing underneath, but how cute. $8. This is obviously a Just brand, but straight out of Dragon Ball Z. And this is giving like ally. Is she? Isn't she? Will she? Won't she? Look at the fruit. It's got pockets. You know I'm buying a house this year. The vision for this is, okay, it's laundry day. Oh, it's cleaning day. I need to throw on a one-piece just fashion statement. I gotta be able to answer the door. Imagine me opening the door, okay? Pretend. Hello. Okay. Come on. You know you could have left it at the front. Now I'm just cleaning. How you been? I haven't seen you. I look good. What? Stop. This is literally my cleaning, dress. Thank you so much. This was so sweet. I could have came down. Thank you. So there you have it. The world's worst haul. Also, the total for this was like $67.
You're a dream. Oh.
I'm gonna get 20 of those dollars back because I'm gonna return these pants. She's a keep. 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 Terrible thrift. Terrible day as a whole because I literally broke my camera. Ugh.
You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.
Not the best day as a whole. I think we're still struggling. Day 10. It's not cute.
Voices, the fucking voices.
See you next week.